Master in Marketing and Digital Media at ESCP Business School will equip you with all the necessary tools and insights that you require for your future career in the digital sphere. We will provide you with research-oriented insights as well as contacts with leading and pioneering companies.
I'll recommend the Master of Science in Marketing and Digital Media because one of the content, it goes from a basic content to advanced analytics in digital marketing. Second one is the international approach. And the third one is the mix of professors that teach in this master.
You will start your experience and gain all the necessary foundations here at our beautiful Madrid campus, where you will spend the first 2 terms. As a next step, you will have the opportunity to travel to London or Berlin to specialize even further. Here you will be able to focus on tracks specialized on big data and analytics, entrepreneurship and digital transformation, or fashion and luxury. On top of all those experiences, you will be able to further develop your knowledge and network during our international seminar. For example, in prior years we have visited leading companies such as Uber, Netflix, and Google.
As a marketing professional, I need to hire on a continuous basis, and I see a lack of talent in digital skills. And I think these masters answer to this lack of talent in the market.
For me, being part of this international university has allowed me to get a real international experience and a great job career.
In my personal experience, it was, and I know that it still is, the best option to start a new career in marketing and do it in a global environment.
If you are looking for an international program worldwide, ESCP might be the right choice for you.
If I had to choose once again a new master, I'm completely sure that I would choose this one.